How to connect React.Js to JavaScript. Connecting React.Js to JavaScript is about understanding how the two interact in a typical front-end application. React itself is built with JavaScript, so technically, using React means you're already using JavaScript. However, integrating traditional JavaScript code or libraries into a React application requires a little know-how. React uses a component-based structure, and your JavaScript logic often lives inside these components or is imported into them. You can define functions, variables, and even use third-party JavaScript libraries by importing them into your React components. For example, if you have a custom JavaScript function that calculates something or fetches data, you can create a utility file and import it wherever needed. In React, React also allows you to use hooks like useEffect or useState to trigger JavaScript functions on component mount, update, or based on user interaction. When dealing with the DOM, you have to be cautious. Instead of directly manipulating the DOM with JavaScript, React encourages using its virtual DOM and state-based rendering. But for specific cases where you need raw DOM access, React provides references using the useref hook. Understanding how to bridge traditional JavaScript into React makes your app more powerful and flexible, giving you full control over your user interface and data handling logic